Hello world, Shelly here, and it's time for another Dia & Co. try-on. If you're unfamiliar with Dia & Co., they are a plus-size personal styling subscription. You pay a $20 styling fee, and your stylist will then curate a box of 5 brand new items for you to try on in the comfort of your own home for 5 days. Keep what you like, send back what you don't in a prepaid shipping envelope. If you keep anything from the box, they will refund the $20 styling fee back to you. And if you keep the entire box, you get a 25% discount on the whole thing. I've got my Dia card right here. Typically, they keep you with the same stylist unless you request a new stylist or your stylist leaves. And you get a note from your stylist every time. Carrie is my stylist, and she says, "Hello, Shelly. I loved your last video. I took a peek at your Pinterest patterns board and added another dress that I hope gives you the Coco vibe." That was a dress pattern that I was sewing over and over and over for quite some time. She said, "Let's check out our spring collaboration. You can help collaborate with your stylist by picking certain things in your box." I can't remember what I picked, so I don't know what I picked and what she picked. I just don't remember. It's been a while. She says, "You're going to be reaching for this iris dress all season long for its soft, breathable fabric and swing silhouette." Let's take a look at the iris dress. This dress is made by Workshop. It is black and white size 2X, retails for $39. I think this is right up my vibe. This is the dress that I am actually wearing right now. And in this try-on, I'm wearing it backwards because I actually like the details on the back of the dress, whereas on the front, which I'm wearing it currently forward, it has a seam right down the middle of the dress, which seems strange to me, so I'm trying it both ways. I have a feeling I'm gonna wear this backwards because I kind of like it better that way. But this is totally my jam. Anything, this is summertime for me. Particularly knits. I am a fan of knits. I like a flowy style, either fit and flare or tank flowy type of dresses. I want them to be super, super comfortable, that like secret pajamas kind of feeling. That is this. So definitely enjoying this one. Back to the note. Now, she had suggested layering it with this white cutoff jacket, but I did that with a different dress in this box. So let's skip to the dress that I did do that with. So this is the Annette puff sleeve, short sleeve knit dress. Carrie recommends sewing on a bold colored pocket, which I think would be super cute. And this is from Molly and Isadora. It is in black and white, size 2X, retails for $59. This is another example of why I like shopping through Dia & Co. The clothing you get is always high quality, but it has interesting details. And the puff sleeve on this is just a detail that makes this a little bit different than I have a ton of striped and plaid skater dresses in my closet, and none of them have a cute little puffed sleeve like this. So this is totally my vibe. This is exactly the kind of thing that I wear. If I'm gonna wear a dress, this is probably my default kind of dress right here. This is where I decided to pair it with white jacket. This is the Alia cutoff hem crisp white jacket. Now, Carrie mentioned she did not have the option to size up on this one. Generally, I request that they size up on my jackets so that I can wear long sleeves underneath them. I have larger biceps that don't always fit into the sleeves of jackets when they fit me otherwise. However, this jacket has some good stretch to it, and it is comfortable as is, and I think I would wear it mostly spring and summertime anyway. I won't be trying to put long sleeves into it. This is made by Kenzie, and it is size 2X, retails for $69. Next up, Carrie says, "Try on the flirty flutter sleeve dress with sandals and a straw hat for a retro vibe." What are the chances that I would have a straw hat? But I bought one last year because I was anticipating a summer trip to the beach, and then COVID happened and I didn't go to the beach, but I still have the hat. And I can wear it when I go to the beach sometime this year. So this dress, super, super, super cute. This is the Merry Sky makes this dress. And the flutter sleeves are super cute. The fit and flare is super cute. It is size 2X, retails for $55. Again, we are right in my wheelhouse of black and white, comfortable, knit, flowy. That's my vibe right there. That's it. The last item, we're gonna step a little bit into color zone here, which sometimes I do. This is the Laura floral dress with a classic spring pattern that you can layer with the jacket or sandals or slip-on sneakers. And I absolutely love the style of the top of this dress. I love the straps. They have thickness to them, but they're elastic, so they hold tight, but they're also not pinching. You know, when you have straps that aren't adjustable or they're just adjustable with those clasps, I feel like the clasps never stay in the right place and they move, and then you'll have one arm that's like not quite tight enough and the other arm's, you know, not quite loose enough, and it just becomes a mess. I love the top of this dress. The bottom half, it is flowy and super cute. This dress screams summer to me. I love the pattern. It is so cute. It is lined. It's not a knit stretchy dress, but I think the fit is just fine. It's from SANDRA DARREN. It is navy and white, size 2X, retail $59. If you add up all of these items, the grand total comes to $281. If I keep anything in the box, I will get a credit of the $20 styling fee. If I keep the full box, I will get a discount of 25%, which would be $70.25. So if I keep all 5 items, the total price of this box is $190.75. What do you guys think? Do you think I'm gonna keep it all? As tends to be the case with my Dia boxes, yes, I'm going to keep all of it. There's nothing in this box that I would not keep. White jackets scare me a little bit because I'm the person that drips food on themselves no matter what. If I'm wearing white, there's going to be something magnetically attracting itself to staining my clothing, but I'm gonna risk it. I'm gonna risk it. We're gonna live on the edge. Living on the edge, you guys. That's the plan. Coming out of this pandemic, and I am ready for life. White jacket, bring it on. There you have it, another Dia & Co. unboxing. What do you guys think? Would you have kept all of it? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, thanks a lot for taking some time out of your day to geek out over fashion with me this time. Come back every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 p.m. Eastern time for new videos. I appreciate your time, and I hope you guys all have an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.